Me flow dimensional is like me from another realm, or from another universe, work no parallel.
What's good, angels? It's your girl EarthAngel naturally, all up on your screen with another episode of DSession. Welcome back to another episode of DSession, guys. Let's jump into this week's hot topics. Alright, angels, so for this episode of DSession, we are going to be checking out some new music in dancehall. Now, I'm sure you can see by the title, say a whole heap of excitement been going on. We're going to kick it off with Teejay. Now, Teejay dropped Internet Badness. I'm sure most of you probably hear it already on November 19. And trust me, angels, that song here remind me why hardcore dancehall is probably going away. Because the way how him deal with talking about real badness in contrast to internet badness speak volumes. Honestly, it was the perfect way you call it now, illustration of that. And I show him attack, and in my opinion, it's almost as if him try to expose like the type of energy where certain artists or certain bad man I try to bring to the thing or to the industry or to the music or whatever. Honestly, it's true. Like, tell me if you don't agree with me. Let me know in the comment section down below. It's the most annoying thing when you can tell say what somebody I do is not really what them is about. And that Teejay basically attack in the song. So if you guys haven't heard it as yet, please go and check it out. I love the way how him deal with that topic here and how him talk about it, and him never really just make it look like a hype thing, like a straight facts. Him not mention nothing yet. When me hear him, he's like, no, that don't make no sense. Yeah, cap. Like, yeah, try to hype up yourself. No, everything are just the truth. Like him just get down and down to the nitty gritty are the case. So check out Teejay Internet Badness if you haven't already. Now we're gonna jump to the next one, because I'm gonna tell you, dancer come like it up on fire that weekend. Rytikal. No, Rytikal, I'm gonna ask you a question. Alright. Is there a Rytikal A and a Rytikal B? Rytikal have a part 1 and a part 2? Because I don't know if you see it yet, angels, or if you guys have seen it already. Rytikal did a live for the culture, Galactic live on November 19. That's like yesterday, if you guys are seeing this video when I'm posting it. But out of the whole 10-minute video of him performing live, 2 things stand out to me. One, whatever them I use to make him a perform is like top-notch equipment, because the auto-tune there never miss none at all. And the second thing what stand out to me is the transition. I don't know if you guys picked up on it, but when it just starts, the room kind of have a red hue, pinkish, well, not pink, because a man, you know, man, no Jamaican man, that's a man a pink hue. It kind of have a reddish hue in the room, and then the way how him did a DJ, the vibe did different. It kind of feel like him a sing. It kind of feel like, you know, it feel like a different Rytikal than what we used to. It sound like a different Rytikal than the Rytikal where a lot of people say sound like Skilly Bang. Me get a different vibe, none at all. Skilly never did this, so Skilly wasn't present at all. But you see, when it switch over and him get the little platinum head over upon the left, then you know so the real lyricist step out now. The real bad man side of the artistry step out now. The skilly side of the man step out now. And him get down in the lyrics, and I tell you people, him deal with the life bad man out in the line. It's so funny. Like, this is not because of how him sound or how people usually compare him to Skilly Bang or whatever, but the live performance when him do remind me of Skilly BB1 extra performance. But not tell no lie, it remind me of when Skilly did perform live, and that was the first time I ever really heard him as an artist, and that's how it really made me become a fan of him, because he did perform so good, like him did sound so good live, him did almost sound like him track, and I was like, yo, that youth here, bad. So, man, I know, me did get that kind of vibe there too, but I don't know. Let me know in the comment section down below, guys. What would you think when you guys saw this? If you haven't seen it already, please go and check it out. It is on, let me tell you where you can find it. It is on page Rytikal official, cracking up all those views. So go check it out. Show the youth some love. You get what I say? We have to encourage and build the young artists them in a dancehall, because them are the future. We say it all the time, say children are the future. Well, Rytikal is the future of dancehall. So we need to invest and support the youths. You see me? Now, jumping right along, we have Ding Dong and Romaine Virgo. Now, people, this are the one where really lit me for 6. Me not telling like what are all the songs them where you gonna hear me talk about right now. This are the one where really speak to my heart. This was a perfect collaboration. Me never did know me want to see Ding Dong and Romaine pan a song so bad. You know, sometimes you need things in a life and you never know you need it until you get it. Ding Dong and Romaine pan a track was something I needed and did not know that I needed. But when me get it, me realize me did need it. That song here good. Thank you, Romaine and Ding Dong, for this song. The musicality of it was beautiful. The music video, oh my gosh. If you guys are OG watchers of the session, you know I have a problem with dancehall music videos being so bland and vague and just a man panakana with a thing and just a do this. Like, me need creativity, me need art, me need interpretation, and Ding Dong and Romaine gave that to me, and I was so impressed. I was so happy to see that type of investment. People, go check out the music video. Like, I can sit here and talk for hours about how amazing this video is, but unless you go and look at it for yourself, you will not get what I am saying. So go and check out Romaine Virgo and Ding Dong, Weh Me Duh People. Me did say the name of the song. If not one collaboration, them obviously I find it anyways. But the song name Weh Me Duh People, and there's a line in the song where it really stand out to me. I want to tell you now. It is when he mentioned that ungrateful people have the prettiest face. Never hear a true thing in my life. Honestly, it is so true. And sometimes, you know, when I listen to this song, what it made me think about was the fact that, you know, honestly, a lot of times I find myself in this situation, you know, and this is why I love story music. I love music where you can relate to, where you can say, yo, me did go through this one time too, you know, because a whole heap of time I get some energy from people and I'm like, what did I do? Like, what did I do to deserve you treating me like this? Like, all I give you is good vibrations and you're just coming with negativity all the time. Like, Weh Me Duh People, honestly. So I love the fact that them convey that message in the song. I never did know I need it, but I'm glad I get it. So you might need this too and don't know. So go check out Ding Dong and Romaine Virgo, Weh Me Duh People. I come with the hot tracks tonight, you know, people. Only can't say I'm not give you nothing for vibe to the weekend, you know. And here the last thing I want to go vibe to, Prince Pine. Prince Pine was an artist. I need to do some research. But come I never know Prince Pine an artist. That song here, Pine Boss. Listen to me. Listen to me. I have to play a little bit, like while I'm in the show. I listen to it already, but I have to just listen a little bit during the show because Prince Pine, I never did know say it bad. I'm not telling a lie. Listen to this, people. Flick it and a ratchet, can we ball it like a teach them how to change the tactics. Jaws disappear, something similar to magic. Say me sleep on a boat up in your middle pass. Yeah, listen to me. Listen to me. Prince Pine, I will copyright me on YouTube. Go and check out Prince Pine, Pine Boss, on him channel right now. Me love it. Me love it. It not feel gimmicky. And that's the one thing I always worried about when it come on to comedians transferring into music, coming in with the gimmicks. It never gimmicky. I love that. That alone me love it. Me never business about nothing else. Just the fact that him come across as an authentic artist, serious about him lyrics, serious about where I try to step on the track. Me love it. Me not care about where I say. Me not care how much the song is really just a song about how him is chopperific and him is the boss and him is this and him is that, and the song is just really about celebrating Prince Pine. Me not care. Me love it. Congratulations, Prince Pine, for not making me have to say the song is just a bunch of gimmicks. Because honestly, yo, listen, him deal with this very, very nicely. Of course, it is not like the biggest lyrics in the world and whatever, but in terms of dancehall music and just doing good music in general, this is really good. I'm a proud of Prince Pine for this, I'm not gonna lie. So check out Prince Pine, Pine Boss, show him some love, give him some good energy, some good vibrations. Tell him EarthAngel naturally send you, yeah, and let me know what you guys thought about it if you heard it already. And even when you listen to it, come back and tell me what you think about it. You see me? Alright, Angel, so in the comment section down below, what I want you to do is let me know what you thought about the songs that I just went over. If you hear them already, what do you think about them? If you don't listen to them yet, come back and tell me what you think when you do listen to them, because I love story music. I love when people use their craft or them talent to motivate others or to help them to, you know, even face some fears or face some things where, you know, them never would have feel comfortable for looking to themselves at alone. So these these four songs that I brought to you here tonight was really just about that. I love them. Go check them out. Come back. Tell me what you think. Yeah, and give my like button some love as always. Show my like button some love. Give my like button some love, and remember to share my video with your friends. Sharing is caring. Don't be stingy. Share my video with your friends, and remember to follow me on social media. Links are in the description bar down below. Oh, and if you want to check out any of these songs that I reviewed, they will all be in the description box down below, so don't worry. I'm not gonna sound up on a wild goose chase or try to find them songs. Everything that right down there is just a click away. Subscribe to the channel if it's the first time you are seeing this video. If you're a fan of dancehall, this is the place where you need to be. Okay, yes, so go ahead and subscribe, and until next time, angels, walk good. All the beautiful people out there in the world. Bye, angels.